it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you a Feelunique Pick and Mix unboxing. So yeah, today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of Feelunique's Pick and Mix service. So if you don't know what this is, basically it's not a subscription box. You can just opt in and opt out, buy it whenever you want. Feelunique offer you the chance to kind of try some samples of different makeup, skincare, hair care, perfumes, etc, etc. There's quite a lot of things on there. And you get to choose 5 samples a month. Now, if you order on, say, the 15th, you can't order again until the 15th of the next month. So, you know, sometimes there are better samples than others. So sometimes you might want to wait, sometimes you might want to strike while the iron's hot and they've got some like really good samples on there. It costs £3.95 and the £3.95 that you spend, you actually get back from Feelunique as a code in an email to take off another order that you've done with them. So essentially it makes the things that you pick up free. So this is this month's box. Sometimes they come in more of a pouch, sometimes they might come in more of a bigger square box, depending on the sample sizes. There are some really great sample sizes sometimes, and sometimes there are some smaller ones, but you always kind of get a good value for money because basically it ends up costing you nothing. And you know, there are some really fantastic brands and fantastic products on there. And if you're not sure about the product or the brand or you haven't tried them before, then it's an absolutely fantastic new way to discover new products. So I haven't opened this yet. I think I can remember some of the items I picked up, but I can't remember all of them. So let's see what I got. Okay, so inside we have our products in there and we're going to open it out and that's our products. I will show you them one by one and let you know what I picked up. Okay, firstly then, Feelunique give you a little envelope with offers from their partners, and in there are just some like vouchers and different bits that you can go on to spend on different websites. So handy if you're wanting any of the things that are in there. If not, you know, it's not what you wanted, not what you paid for, so that doesn't matter. Okay then, so the first thing that I picked up this month is this Philip Kingsley PK Prep Polishing Balm. And as you can see, it is a good little sample size. There is 20 mils in here, and it is just a polishing balm to seriously smooth frizz freestyling balm. Oh, frizz freestyling balm. It just says that you apply sparingly throughout towel dried hair, concentrating on the lengths and ends. Blow dry and then style as required. Smooth over dry hair for an extra sleek look. So Philip Kingsley is a great brand and I thought that was a good sample size, and it's always nice to have something to kind of tame your tresses. So I think that's a really good pick this month. Nextly then, I got some more hair care things. Okay, I'll show you them together because they're both very similar. I picked up some things from L'Oreal and I got their Cerise Expert. We know I don't do pronunciation very well. And it's their Blondifier Gloss. It's a shampoo for blonde hair. In here we get 10 mils. I don't know if there's an awful lot of information. Let me see if I can find some English. Here we go. It says resurfacing and illuminating system shampoo for blonde hair. Professional formula. And that's about it. But basically it's a shampoo that's good for blonde hair. I have blonde hair, so I thought that was really good. And the next one then that I picked up was their Blondifier Resurfacing and Illuminating System Mask for Blonde Hair. Rinse out. And yeah, so that's another, this is 15 ml sample, so that's a really nice. So I've got shampoo and I've got a hair mask to pop on it afterwards that's designed for blonde hair, so that's going to give me a use in the shower. It's also good to take things like these if you're going away anywhere for like the night or whatever. Super useful. Next I have a skincare item, and it is this little sachet of light facial daily cream from Antipode, yeah, I think so. And it is made with avocado oil, manuka flour and sweet almond. I just thought it sounded really nice and I've never tried anything from this brand before, so I thought I would give it a little go. So the back says that it is a gentle, light, non-oily facial day cream to enhance your skin's natural hydration. Nutrient-rich avocado oil helps to create a healthy, plumped visage to help decrease the appearance of fine lines, while antibacterial manuka flower oil promotes the perfect blemish-free complexion. You can thank avocado oil's high levels of plant compounds called phytosterols for transforming tired and stressed skin. Joyful fragrances of sweet almond and vanilla pod enliven your senses. Suited to most skin conditions, especially oily and sensitive skin. It's a daily ritual. You should delicately apply the cream to your face and neck, décolletage at the sunrise in upward strokes. Okay. I've never had a cream that says to apply at sunrise before. That's quite interesting. But anyway, I look forward to giving it a try. It's always fun to try new skincare items. Okay, this last item I've never tried before, but I've seen so many things about this that I thought I'd pick it up. It was great. And it is from This Works. It is their Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. And you're supposed to just spray this on your pillow, and it's got like lavender scents and things. And I think it's supposed to help, send you into a nice deep sleep. So, in here we get a decent little size sample, I think. I know Birchbox have just had this in their box, and I don't think the sample size was much bigger. And apparently a little bit does go a long way. So in here we get 2.5 mils. I think a full size bottle, looking at the front, is 75. So it says, good skin starts here. We believe beautiful skin starts with a good night's sleep, which is why we developed our award-winning Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. A super blend of true lavender, wild chamomile and vetiver. Fall asleep faster and naturally and wake up refreshed. The directions are shake your sample and then spray directly onto your bed linen. So that sounds like it'd be really nice if you're having trouble sleeping and things. And it's something that I've heard many good things about, so I'm looking forward to trying that. So that was everything that I've got this month then. Basically, I've got something to help me sleep. I've got some skincare for when the sun rises after my deep sleep. Then I can go and wash my hair with my Blondifier shampoo and mask, and then polish it before I dry it. So I think there's some nice samples. Some sizes are bigger than, others, but I think they're all decent sizes, Okay then, so that is everything. As ever, if you have liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It'll be fantastic to have you here, and I've got lots of fun videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.